First thing I do is turn my hand up vertical. Come on this side. My thumb is vertical because my hand is skinnier that way. It's easier to pry through. Reach over top and grab the fist, but the emphasis is not on the pulling, but the driving of the elbow. Drive in, lever. If I am a seesaw and the heavy end's on this end and the light end's on this end, I can lever and pry myself out of the thumb. Okay? So he grabs, I step forward. Now let's add a step where you grab and pull. I can step forward faster than he can backpedal. I want you to step back a little bit more because I keep hitting you in the chest. If they don't move, you will hit them in the chest or ideally right in the solar plex. That would be nice. Spread it out a little bit.